I just got my US tourist visa approved, and let me share to you all what happened. And just a little heads up, this video does not include the visa processing or how are you going to start with your visa, but rather we're just gonna talk about what happened to me earlier during the interview that happened around November 29, 2023. And by the way, this video is everything that you're going to need about the interview and everything. Hindi ko na kayo bibitinin, isang video na lang. My scheduled time is around 8:15, but I was able to go to the US Embassy around 6:30 a.m. Mas maaga, mas maganda. As soon as you arrive sa US Embassy, may mag-aalok sa inyo ng face mask, and then sasabihan kayo hindi kayo makakapasok dahil wala kayong face mask. Let me just clarify to you all that face mask is not a mandatory inside the US Embassy. And also, bawal yung cellphone, electronics, smartwatches, bawal na bawal po yan sa loob po ng US Embassy. So, it's either you leave it sa hotel nyo kung meron man po kayong hotel, or you actually bring it with you pero meron kang friend na nag-aantay sa'yo. Yun yung mga highly suggestions ko. So, pagpasok nyo po sa US Embassy, meron pong pila. So, pipila lang po kayo. Papakita nyo po yung appointment letter nyo. After po nun, diretso na po kayo sa loob ng US Embassy. Meron pong X-ray scanner. Pwede pong magdala po ng bag, but just to be assured, bawal po talaga yung cellphone po sa loob. Hindi nyo po yan masasingit. So, pagpasok nyo po sa loob, meron na naman pong pila. And then, even sa pagpasok nyo rin po sa US Embassy, mismo kung saan po yung visa console, meron na naman pong pila. And that is for the step 1. Step 1 is you're just going to hand out your passport